Incrementing a for loop, inside the loop. Is it possible to increment a for loop inside of the loop in Python 3? For example, where the loop counter I gets incremented by 4 if the condition holds true, else it will just increment by 1, or whatever the step value is for the for loop. I know a while loop would be more applicable for an application like this, but it would be good to know if this, or something like this, in a for loop is possible. Thanks.
You could use a while loop and increment I based on the condition. Using a for loop, I will always return to the next value in the range.
A bit hackish.
In your example as written, I will be reset at each new iteration of the loop, which may seem a little counterintuitive, as seen here. Continue is the standard /safe way to skip to the next single iteration of a loop, but it would be far more awkward to chain continues together than to just use a while loop as others suggested.
It is possible to achieve this with a for loop using the send method of a generator, where the counter can be modified if the generator is sent a new value. This outputs demo, this URL.